This is your hazardous weather briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan. This hazardous weather briefing is for Saturday, April 5th of 2014. Well, we are looking at a couple of things to be concerned with for the next 7 days. First off, that accumulating wet snow that we've been looking at for later Monday and into Monday night, that is a fairly low chance of that happening at this point. And if it did occur, it would mainly be across northeast lower Michigan, resulting in some possible slushy roads. Now also, with some recent warming temperatures, we've had some snow melt, and there is a flooding potential across northern lower Michigan. And that is going to be for this weekend and even into next work week, with some of the impacts to be determined. So really, this weather story is going to focus on something that we might all want to hear. It's not going to be as cold as it has been. However, temperatures for this time of year are still going to generally remain below normal. Here is a graph. In the red are average high temperatures for this time of year, and in the blue are average forecast high temperatures for the next 6 days across northern Michigan. We do see that we're going to be a fairly cold today and for Saturday, with temperatures well below normal. But then they jump quickly on Sunday, tomorrow, and might even average slightly above normal for the area. And then we remain just below normal for the next 3 days after that, but then again, maybe by late next work week, we do spike up to something that's a little bit warmer than normal. Some of the other weather highlights: we are going to have some isolated to scattered rain and snow showers that are mainly going to affect eastern upper, starting late tonight and continuing into Monday morning. And then later Monday and Monday night, the chance of rain and snow kind of expands across all of northern Michigan. And again, we will be keeping an eye on the possibility of some accumulating wet snows for northeast lower Michigan. And then generally for temperatures, mostly below normal for the next several days, but there will be some milder spells in there, with many locations actually seeing 50s at times. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.